Have you ever faced a decision where the right path was not clear, or wondered how your choices might affect those around you? Making good decisions, especially when other people are involved, can feel like navigating a complex maze. Empathy helps with decision-making by enabling you to understand and share the feelings of others, leading to choices that are not only effective but also compassionate and inclusive. It moves you beyond just considering facts and figures, encouraging a deeper understanding of human impact. The core mechanism behind this is empathy's ability to broaden your perspective. When you empathize, you mentally step into another person's shoes, actively considering their thoughts, feelings, and potential reactions to a decision. This cognitive and emotional exercise helps you anticipate outcomes more accurately, reducing the likelihood of unintended negative consequences and fostering a more holistic view of any given situation. To practically apply empathy in your decisions, start by actively listening without interruption, seeking to truly understand someone else's point of view rather than just waiting for your turn to speak. Before making a choice, consider how it might affect various groups of people, even those who are not directly involved. Ask yourself questions like, who benefits from this decision, and who might be negatively impacted, and why would they feel that way? This practice of empathic decision-making is a cornerstone of building strong relationships and effective leadership, often referred to as emotional intelligence. It cultivates trust and cooperation, leading to more sustainable solutions because decisions made with empathy are generally perceived as fairer and more considerate by all parties involved, fostering buy-in and collaboration. Ultimately, integrating empathy into your decision-making process means you are not just solving a problem, but you are also strengthening connections, fostering understanding, and choosing pathways that support the well-being of a broader community. It is a powerful skill that leads to choices you can feel truly good about.